Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? In 1930, Japanese-American artist Chiura Obata depicted the natural beauty of Yosemite National Park in two memorable woodcuts, Evening at Carl Inn and Lake Basin in the High Sierra. In 2019, Blank exhibited alongside 150 of Obata's other works in a single artist show at the Smithsonian American Art Museum. So looking at the second sentence, we can clearly see that the subject of the sentence is like the woodcuts, and the pronoun that is best for this blank would match in number with this subject in the previous sentence. So because the subject is plural, woodcuts, then this verb here, or pronoun, must be plural as well. So with this, let's look at the answer choices. A. It was. This is incorrect because the subject of the previous sentence was woodcuts. Therefore, the pronoun it was, or phrase it was, would not match a number with the subject it woodcuts. So we can eliminate A because this does not match a number with the subject in the previous sentence. So with that, we can eliminate A. But let's also plug this in to check if this makes sense. So it would read, in 2019, it was exhibited along 150 of Obata's other works. So this obviously sounds wrong because the woodcuts in the previous sentence were plural, so it wouldn't make sense to have the phrase it was. So we can eliminate A here. B. They were. This seems to be the correct answer because this is a plural subject or plural phrase, and this matches the singular, the plural subject in the previous sentence, woodcuts. So if we were to plug this into the sentence, we can analyze how it would sound and determine whether this is correct. So doing so, it would read, in 2019, they were exhibited along 150 of Obata's other works. So this obviously makes sense grammatically, so B seems to be the correct answer. But let's check the other answers first. C. This was. This is incorrect because this isn't a plural phrase, so this phrase wouldn't match the plural subject in the previous sentence, and if we were to plug this into the sentence, it would not make sense. In 2019, this was exhibited alongside. So because this doesn't make sense, we can eliminate C. D. Somewhere. This is incorrect because, for one, there are only two memorable woodcuts mentioned earlier, so it wouldn't make sense to say somewhere when referring to these two woodcuts. And if we were to plug this into the sentence, it would read, in 2019, some were exhibited alongside. So this is incorrect, and thus we're left with B as the correct answer.